construct the whole tree for this example. Total of 14 points. How many attributes? 14 instances. 4 attributes. All 4 are nominal. Yes. And binary classification problem. Supervised training set.
Yes.
So how do we build the decision tree? How many examples of yes and no? So what's the ground truth?
Yes, yes, no. 5 yes. 9 is yes and 5 is
5 no, 9 yes. So 9p plus and 5p minus is the ground truth. 9 plus 5 minus we start with. This is the prior unconditioned distribution. Unconditioned meaning we have not yet split on anything. Once you split on an attribute, you say that you have conditioned the distribution on that attribute. That's the terminology used. So because it's 9 plus 5 minus, the entropy before split is minus 9 by 14 logarithm of 9 by 14 minus 5 by 14 logarithm of 5 by 14 bits. Bits, hence the base is 2. Log base is 2. So with log base 2, it's 0.94 bits that is needed to describe this. That is the entropy. The entropy before split is 0.94 bits. You okay with that? Then we are now trying to split on the basis of humidity for no specific reason. We will evaluate all of them. We are starting with humidity. So if you look at humidity, humidity can have high and normal, 2 values. So if you take the entropy of D where humidity is high, how many of them have humidity high? 7. So out of the 7, how many are yeses and how many are no's? That happens to be 3 and 4. Right? These 2 are yeses and this is a yes. Right? 3 yeses and 4 no's. Hence, D with humidity high is minus 3 by 7 log 3 by 7 minus 4 by 7 log 4 by 7. What we are computing here is just dV1. That's all. Just this. Everyone is okay with that? So that is 0.985 bits. And when humidity is normal, similarly, the number is 0.592 bits. But when it is high, it is 7. When it is high and when it is low, it is 7. So these need to be, the weighted summation should be done. 0.985 multiplied by 7 by 14 and 0.592 multiplied by 7 by 14. When you take wind, light and strong are the 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Light is 8 and strong is 6. The information gain on splitting with wind is less than the information gain in splitting with humidity. Purest thing can be described in the shortest number of bits. So what we need here when we are computing this is reducing the number of bits. When it is close to 1, it shows that it is an impure partition. Even this is close to 1. So it shows that it's an impure partition. Whereas if it becomes small, it shows that it's a good partition. Because of the strength of this split, humidity scores higher than wind in terms of information gain. Of all the ones, outlook is the one that has the highest information gain. Hence, we split on outlook. And the outlook has sunny, overcast and rain as 3 values. So, now we are looking only at D sunny. D sunny is the total data set where outlook equals sunny, which is only 5 instances. Outlook is equal to sunny and you split on humidity. The information gain is 0.97 bits. So humidity is a good fit. So what we did in terms of the tree is first we split on outlook, and this was sunny, overcast, rain, and on sunny we did humidity. This led to 2 pure leaves, correct? When humidity is high and normal, if humidity is high, this is no, and this is yes. And when it was overcast, it is yes. Then we are left with only rain. So when you do a D rain with wind, you will get exactly this equation. You will get 0.97 bits of gain. So there is really no better test. So we do light and strong, and light will give us yes, strong will give us no. This is the overall decision tree we built. Makes at most one pass through the data set at each level. Why are they saying that? We said if it is D rain, how many winds? Then you counted rain, light, strong. You counted. That is one pass through the set. So it's saying that every level, this is level 1, this is level 2, this is level 3. At every level, in total, it does at most one pass through the data set. Let's say there are 14 points here. We have split. So in the second level, this 14 gets split into some summation here. But the total is still 14. Correct? Because we are doing divide and conquer. And while getting this test, we need to only go through those 5 or 7 points that are in humidity. Here we will go through only those rest of them. Already one leaf has come here. Even if leaf didn't come, we would have gone through only 14 points to them. At most n points at each level. So at most one data pass at each level. What decision trees are trying to do is cut off pure portions. If you take this as the attribute space with some samples distributed, can we split it such that you isolate pure portions and then focus on those that are impure and cut it further? That's what these axis parallel splits are trying to do. The same one, now this tree is shown here with the examples that are at each node and color coded with the SSN nodes. All leaves are pure. There are 3 branching nodes, and out of the 4 attributes, only 3 are used. Temperature is as good as, it's not necessary. So is it clear that in a short amount of time, in an efficient way, decision trees can be used to pick out features that are not useful? You just build a decision tree, a good decision tree. If it can be built, then all the attributes that are not used in the decision tree you can get rid of. They are really not useful. Decision trees are used as a feature selection method. We have looked at 14 different combinations. If you just look at these 3, okay, this is 3 possibilities, this is 2 possibilities, this is 2 possibilities. And no matter what temperature is, it does not matter, that those 3 also hold good here. So, if I had a few more training, a few more examples where I didn't know whether to play tennis or not, would I have been able to use this tree for those unseen examples or not? We would be able to. Wherever outlook is 3 types of values, humidity is 2 types of values, wind is 2 types of values, temperature can be any types of values, we can use the same decision tree to classify them. So it is not restricted to the 14 points we saw. By generalization, what we mean is that we are able to use the tree for more than what we have seen.
All these variables could work.